Phonics Teachers Training Course with Ultimate Jolly Phonics by Pampa Majumdar, sharing a few beautiful moments from our practical live online demo classes, where our teachers trainees put their phonics knowledge into real classroom practice. Because our Phonics Teachers Training Course is not just about learning sounds and rules. It's about learning how to teach children effectively. So learn the concepts, master the teaching techniques, practice delivering live classes, learn systematic and engaging phonics, build confidence as a phonics educator. So enroll now for our Phonics Teachers Training Course and take your first step towards becoming a confident phonics teacher.